How to add story on your Snapchat public profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add story on your public profile on Snapchat. Now, if you open up the app and you'll get an interface like this. Now tap on the profile or Bitmoji icon on the top left corner of your screen. And here if you scroll down below, you'll be able to see your public profile, and if you haven't created one, you'll be able to create one from here. Now, you can simply open this up and add a new story from here, and you can add it from here. Now tap on continue and you can select from archives, your memories or your camera roll. You can see if you don't want to go this way, the other way is just create a quick snap here, or you can just choose it from your memories right here or camera roll or anything. I'll just choose this video. Now what you want to do is tap on send to, and here on the screen you'll find the option my public story and my story. Now if you keep it on your story, then it'll add it to your story, but if you tap on post now, the story will be posted on your public profile. So these are the two ways you can add stories to your public profile. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.